So I joined a new company and I can finally share the information on the company. Okay, so the name of the company is called Aurum Foundation. I joined them, I think it's about a week now, I think last week or the week before. So I have been doing research on this company for the past 2 months. And so I'm safe to say that I'm very happy with this company. I decided to invest an amount of $150. I started with $150. My plan on it is to invest a total of $2,000 and then to leave it to grow over the next 2 years and turn into 1 million rands because I want to make 1 million rands in Aurum. All right. Okay, but I just came on here so I can quickly share a little bit of information with you guys because there's just so much of information to share about this company that I'm not going to be able to fit everything into this one video. So I'm just going to give you the rundown of what the company is about. The company officially launched this year in January. It has been around since 2023. In 2024, they came out to the public where the public could start investing. And this year, January, they did the official launch. They have their own crypto card, their own exchange. They have bots that do the trading, and you can view all this on the back office. Okay, there's a lot of information even on the back office. It's just so much of information on it. If you want that information, you can send me a WhatsApp and I will send you there's a PDF presentation. There are Zoom meetings that takes place. There's a whole bunch of YouTube videos that explains all the different parts of the company and all the different things that you can do on this company when you join. Okay, so to join the company, the minimum amount is about 2,000 rands. It all depends on the dollar rate. It's basically $120. The $100 is for you to buy your package, and the $20 is a yearly subscription. Okay, the dividends that they pay out is from 10%. It's from 10%, and I think it goes right up to about 17% per month. Okay. What I can say is the reason why I joined this company is because they have a switch in the back office. So when you buy a package, like I bought this $150, well, it's not $150, I think $130 was my package because $20 I paid for my yearly subscription. So that $130 package, on that package on the back office, on the system, when you look and when you view your package, there is a switch. There is a reinvestment switch. For those of you who know about compounding or reinvesting your profits, that is what that switch is there for. It is a switch that when you turn it on, it will automatically reinvest your profits every single day. So every day that you are getting profits, that profits will get reinvested every day and your package will just grow and grow and grow. And that was one of the main reasons why I joined, was because I could just buy a package and leave it to reinvest itself without me doing anything on it. I can just leave it for the next 2 years and it will just reinvest and grow and it will become a 1 million rand package. Okay. I'm not talking about the $130 package now. I'm talking about if I buy a package for like $2,000 and I leave it to reinvest for the next 2 years, that will turn into over $60,000, over 60,000. I think it's $62,000 package. It depends on the dollar rate, obviously, but that's about 1 million rands in this 2 years. It will grow up to, and that's my plans. That's what I want to do with it. I want to be able to buy a good couple packages over the next couple of weeks. I want to grow my package. I want it to be $2,000, and then I will stop putting in any more money. And then I just want to turn on the switch or leave the switch on for the next 2 years. From that point of me having the $2,000 $2,000 package, I'm going to turn on the switch and I'm going to leave it for the next 2 years to start reinvesting automatically and grow and get to the point of 1 million rands. Okay, but that's just one of the reasons why I joined. Another reason is because the package that you buy, it never expires. There is no 12-month contract or 2-year contract or 3-year contract or whatever the case is. It's a package that you buy and it goes on for year after year after year after year. It never expires. Okay, so that's another awesome upper about this company is that you get that your package never expires. Then also it allows you to withdraw your initial investment. So you can withdraw out your initial investment. However, if you withdraw your initial investment before the 12-month period, before 12 months, if you decide, no, this company is not for me, I want to withdraw, I want my money's back, then you will pay a 35% withdrawal fee to withdraw your initial investment. Okay, that fee is quite high. So if you invest here into Aurum, I would suggest that you leave it for over a year. But if you withdraw after the year period, sorry, I got cut off. There was a call coming in. But if you withdraw after the 12-month period, then you will only pay a 1% fee. So for all withdrawals, whenever you withdraw, the fee is 1% of your withdrawal amount. Okay, so anything after the 12 months, that if you decide to withdraw and you want to withdraw your initial I'm talking about the initial investment and not your profits. Profits you can withdraw anytime. Monday to Friday, you can withdraw anytime your profits, monthly, weekly, daily. You can withdraw your profits. But I'm talking about the initial investment. If you want to withdraw your initial investment out, you want to take your monies back out, then rather wait for it. Wait for after the 12-month period. Then you don't have to pay that 35% withdrawal fee. And then also, the third reason why I joined it is because you can top up on your packages. So if you buy a package, you don't need to buy multiple packages. Even though you can buy multiple packages, there's no reason why you should be buying multiple packages unless you want one package for compounding and one package to be able to withdraw on it monthly. Then you would want maybe two packages. But you can literally buy one package on there and you can top up on that package directly. The only thing that I've learned about it is that if you top up, like each time you add money on top of that package, that amount that you are adding on is coming with its own 12-month withdrawal, what can I say, limits, or not limits, or fee. Because each time because remember now, if you decide to withdraw and this is only on the initial investment. This is only on the initial investment. If you decide to withdraw any of the amounts that you topped up with, if you decide to withdraw that specific amount out, or you try to withdraw those initial investments, you're going to pay 35% fee. But other than that, I'm not really bothered by that. Because I'm not going to withdraw my initial investment within a year. I mean, I'm not investing in a company just to take everything out in the first year. I'm investing in a company so that I can make money off the company. And that's the only way I can do that is if I leave my money in there and reinvest the profits over the next 2 years. However, yes, you can have a monthly income as well. If you come in with big investments, you put in a big investment, then yes, you can withdraw monthly, weekly, daily. You can withdraw your profits and you can live off those profits. You can do that as well. Although, yes, we can share the business further and earn referral income. You don't have to. You're not forced to recruit. It's also another company. You're not forced to recruit. You come in, you invest, you can reinvest. You can do all those things without having to tell a single soul about the company. But yeah, I just wanted to share a few things. My time is almost up. There is just so much of information I will be sharing with you over the next couple of weeks. If you want the information on this company, you can send me a WhatsApp and I will send you the PDF document. If there's any Zooms, I will share that with you. And there's a whole bunch of YouTube videos. I will share that with you. But this is also another legit platform. I've done a lot of research. I've been researching this company for the past 2 months. And then I was finally happy with it. I finally saw the transparency in it, the founder, and everything that's going on with this company. And so I decided to invest. I think it was last week or the week before, and I am happily getting my profits. Although my profits are a bit low because my investment is quite low, I will be increasing it soon. But yeah, I'll put my number up here if you want more information on it. You can send me a WhatsApp. But over the next couple of weeks, just keep an eye out. I will be sharing a whole lot more information on the company. The company is called Aurum Foundation. So if you go and Google the company, please make sure you Google Aurum Foundation because there's a lot of different Aurums. It's Aurum Foundation. Okay.